All right, so I got a good one here. So I have a television that's a Vizio TV, and it seems to like to go black and white on me. So I think it's a board in there that's the main board that's acting up on us. But right now it's not showing black and white. So what I'm going to do is kind of leave it on, wait for it to turn black and white on again, just to make sure that it didn't fix itself. It happens. And if it turns black and white on me again, I'll order the parts that it needs, and then we'll go ahead and get it replaced and then get it going again. All right, it's gonna be fun. All right, so because I have color coming from the main menu of the actual TV itself, I definitely feel it has something to do with the HDMI ports. I have replaced a board on this TV before. It had the horizontal lines on there. I did replace that, and now it doesn't have the horizontal lines on it anymore. But now it does have, it's black and white. I've tried a lot of different things as far as like resetting the TV itself, and it's been unplugged for a while, and then plugging it back in, and that just didn't get it for us. So what I'm gonna do is replace that board. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little research online, try to see if I'm close to what other people are looking at, and then we'll most likely I'll look on eBay, see if it's on there, if somebody has the board. If not, we'll go to AliExpress and get it from there. It's usually about, I don't know, 20-30 bucks. So we'll see. HDMI ports. So every one of those ports is showing black and white. But what I did notice was the actual menu itself, it's in color. Let's see if I can get to the main menu for this thing. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on. So you can see the silver real good, and that's definitely not black and white. And then yeah, that's definitely not black and white. But the screen coming from the HDMI port is. Alright, so this is the board I replaced last time that had the horizontal lines. And this is the one I'm going to replace this time, because that's what the HDMI ports are on. I don't believe it's the main board, only because the picture is actually showing real good on the main menu. So I believe believe it's the picture coming from this. I don't know which model number I need yet, so what I'm going to do is take a picture of that one there, maybe the one off of the serial number there, and then maybe that one, and just look it up and see what happens. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab some pictures and I'll go back on the computer and see if I can find this model number for this board. So for the main board, what I did was I dropped it off at a repair shop and had them just kind of fix it for me. So they pretty much just replaced the chip. I can't tell you the name of the chip, but I'm sure with your research you'll be able to find out what it's called. But I had them do it this time, so next time I'll be able to kind of say, okay, it was easy enough to do. So let me show you the chip, and I'll kind of put it back in the TV and we'll go ahead and get it tested. Right, so this is the board repaired. The chip is under here, so you can kind of see what they did. I have some warranty on it. What is it? CapelTVRepair.com. They have a little thing on eBay where you can ship it and then they'll ship it back to you. I'm pretty close to there, so I went ahead and just dropped it off and picked it back up. Alright, let's see if this works. Look at that. We got color. Alright, real nice. Alright, so let me grab the Roku remote, switch it around a little bit. So I'm a happy guy. All right, so the price of this was about 95. I definitely probably could have saved a whole lot more money. Probably just bought the chip myself and soldered it on. But this TV was free, and I just wanted to make sure that I didn't mess anything up at the first fix. But if I ever have another black and white TV that ends up being the same issue, I'm most likely just gonna buy the chip myself. Put it in and save a whole lot more money. I'm sure the chip probably cost maybe $10 or less. So yeah. All right, works pretty good for me. I'm happy. Look at it. All right. turns. Need batteries on this Roku remote, but yeah, it's working. So that's pretty much it. I mean, most boards can be replaced. The main board is usually the most expensive one, so usually you'd have to replace the chip on there to kind of get that working a lot quicker or cheaper instead of trying to replace the whole board. But if it was a bigger issue, then replacing the board is usually around maybe 130 or 140. So yeah, and they're a little bit harder to find. So try to see if there's a particular chip on the board that you can replace yourself, or have someone fix it for you. It just depends on how much you want to spend on the TV. This TV, like I said, was free, so it didn't really cost me anything. But it's working again. I probably had it over maybe 10 years, maybe plus. All right, so the TV's working. I hung it back on the wall and everything is looking good. I was able to try the 3D, made sure that was still working. So yeah, I'm happy. I was able to get another TV working without, having to try to purchase another one. I do a lot of little projects like this all the time. So just, yeah, stay tuned. You never know what I'll be jumping myself into. So, hey, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.